A very good day to my panel, supervisor and everyone attend to the symposium. My name is Deevikthiran Jeevaraj, student Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to present about analysis of the effect of wing on drone performance. There are 5 sections on this presentation. First, the problem statement. The problem statement for this study is that based on my finding, there are no research has been done related to this title, but there are articles and research done on aerodynamic characteristic of different model plane with single wing design. The second problem statement is the duration of takeoff that acts on the drone model. Moving on to the objective. There are 3 objectives in this study, which is to analyze the effect of various wing design in drone performance, to analyze the effect of different wing design toward the drone takeoff, to determine the best wing design with best performance. Next is the methodology. Methodology is divided into 4 parts, which is model selection and setup, drawing and designing, configuration and data collection, and the last is simulation. For model selection and setup, the model selected for this study is mini talent. These are the necessary components required for the mini talent to fly, which is listed by the product manufacturer. However, there are several other components needed to fulfill this thesis, such as airspeed sensor to monitor the speed when flying, video transmitter to transmit data and ground, and camera to record the flight details. In drawing and designing, each drawing are drawn using the same fuselage and wingspan measurements. Only the wing design is changed, where the original model uses a semi-elliptical wing, and for this thesis, delta, rectangle and tapered wing design are selected. For configuration and data collection, INAV software is used to configure mini talent model, especially the flight controller, EAC and motor, GPS, airspeed sensor, finally the servos. INAV software is user-friendly software and has lot of customizable settings such as control servo speed, auto launch sequence, auto land, return to home function, and other function as well. The data collection. For the data collection, the data for flight testing was taken by on-screen display (OSD) when flying, mainly to see the parameters such as battery reading, altitude, satellite signal, velocity, and some other parameters. This data will be the input for the simulation. This is the result based on black box of the model from INAV after the flight testing. Result of the flight after auto launch sequence finish, which is within 10 seconds. The mini talent model reached to an altitude of 44 meters with a speed of 82 km per hour. Next, moving on to the simulation. Based on the black box data taken during the flight simulation, the input for the simulation is 25-degree angle of attack, altitude of 44 meter, speed at 82 km per hour, and the simulation time is set to 10 seconds. The simulation was applied for all the wing design conducted in this thesis. The left figure shows an example of angle of attack and wind that is against the drone model, and the right figure shows the pressure acting on the wing of the drone. As for the result obtained from the flow simulation, the figure shows the coefficient of lift and drag acting on the different wing design. From here, we can see the characteristic of each wing design. And by comparing the lift to drag ratio and high endurance factor, it also shows that tapered wing produces the highest value of lift to drag ratio and high endurance factor for this study. The table above is the summary of the result obtained. By comparing on the 4 wing designs, the value of lift and drag, area of the wing, and density are obtained from the flow simulation. where the coefficient of lift to drag ratio and high endurance factor are calculated from the lift and drag value obtained from the flow simulation. Moving on to the next slide. Conclusion of the study are the selection of different wing design is chosen by the characteristic of each wing type. Each selected wing, including the original wing design from the mini talon, undergoes the same simulation process, but the input condition for the simulation taken for the flight testing is only speed, altitude and auto launch sequence time, where we can measure the takeoff timing. Higher lift force and lower drag can reduce the takeoff timing and uses lesser thrust. So in short, the tapered wing is the most effective type of wing in replacing the original wing of mini talon model. This is due to its characteristic as well as the value of endurance factor, which is better compared to other wing design. Before ending this presentation, here's a short video on my journey throughout this thesis. Thank you for your precious time.